Hey guys, let's see how to change the Tapo camera's name. So here I have the Tapo C100, but it works with any TP-Link Tapo camera. It's the same way, it's same menu. So basically here the camera is working and I have it on my cell phone. Let me just bring it here so you see that I have the camera working, and here's the menu, right? Here's the name. So we're gonna change it. I just come here, tap on the gear, and I tap here on device info. Here I can see the icon that I can change, and I can also change the device name. Right now it's Studio, and I can change here to any name that I want to, right? Just tap change here. Let's say, for example, just add something else. You see the save button is here now. So now it's gonna work when I save it, right? I'm not gonna save because I already have the camera working here with this name, and I will leave like this. So basically it's pretty simple, it's just right here. And then when you change it, you're gonna see here on the screen the new name, right? So that's the way you can change the name of your Tapo camera. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to this channel, leave your comments, and I see you in the next one.